Today, I'm opening my Father's Day gift and some of the things that we bought when we went to Rome. This is the Seiko. This is the gift. Also a gift. And the things we bought. You know what it is, right? Okay, let's start here from a Seiko. Nice box, like plastic. Let's see this. This is Seiko automatic watch. Okay, yeah, it says a lot. Okay, and oh, okay, okay, oh, okay, yeah, oh, okay, yeah, that's it. Now, there's not authenticity, I guess. You do important watch, JC Jewelers. I think that's where we bought it. RC Jewelers, warranty valid, RC, blah, 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 later purchase, blah, blah. Okay. Now to the main thing. Oh. What else here? Nothing. Nada. So, look at this, man. Cool, huh? Seiko sport, I guess. Really open this. Ta-da! Oh, it's a foam. I mean, it's soft. It says, please buy a watch without ripping the bag in case you wish to return it. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. If screw tight, please screw it current before using the watch. Screw you or screw me? Anyway, what else do we have here? Oh, mechanical thingy, blah, blah, blah. Automatic watch. Okay. Got it. Oh, look at this guy. I love it. I love the pillow. I love it. So soft. Oh. There's something. No. And yeah. Voila. You can put it back if I don't like it. I don't know. Yeah, we can. Oh, baby. Maybe we can fit in the middle. Oh, baby. It's running. It has black matte color Seiko for the Seiko. It has date and what you call it? Day, Sunday. Yeah, today's Sunday, but not 11. Oh, wow. Check this thing out. It's beautiful. It's nicely done. I got it for like, what, $300? Look at the back. I don't know how to do this thing, but oh. Wow, yeah, nice, very good. Let me see. Well, I have this old Seiko, old Seiko. That's what it says. So this is the brand that I have. I mean, the model, I guess, not the brand. Basilicus caliber. Let's put this in my hand. Baby. Wish I have another hand, make it easier. But I'll be look weird. Got a third hand. Or the arm. Oh, is that the strap one that I was thinking? Let's see. It's nice. It's cool. Look at that. And now let me goes red. Luminous. Let me check. So this one, the crown doesn't lock. Like goes around and around and around. I thought it was like this one here. This one has a lock on its crown. Like, see? And then when you screw it down, it locks. But this thing, nope. I have a few. Yeah, I think they designed it that way. And the back is, you can see the movements. I don't know if you can see it there. Now, where's this one? Because I read some issue that water might come in. So the crown is like this. It doesn't close, but, well, but this one does close. This Luminux lock the crown. And also with this, my old school thingy, see it locks. So I don't know. The issue is the water getting into the watch itself. So hopefully I won't have an issue like that. But sure, it looks good. Like the matte. Dude. This one? You're asking if this sounds good? Yep, it turns one way. Counterclockwise. And yeah, it's nicely done. Again, this is the model of the Seiko doll. Yeah, if you want one, go online. And they got a lot of colors, particularly yellow. Next one I'm getting is the GMT that has a crown that makes like this, because my eyes is not that good no more. Alrighty, let's put this on the side. Let's open the Tissot. This is also Swiss made. I got it on sale. Let me see. Nice box. Wow, these boxes are like solid. That's why it probably makes the watch expensive. Look at this. The word. Cool. Maybe this is a factory. Maybe. Because it says Tissot. Oh, it doesn't have the pillow that I like. That's a... It's nice, stainless. What brand is this? Oh, it's a price, $5.75. I didn't pay for that much. And yeah, this is the style, I guess. It has a code at the back. Maybe if you scan that one, you'll end up on finding a treasure. I don't know. It has the Blue Isle. Let me see it. Oh, this one looks good. Oh, it's hard. Uh-huh. Relax, baby. Let's see. Why is this thing so hard to open? Why is it so hard to open? Okay. Oh, that was for the extension. If you get a bigger hand, a wrist, I mean. So, close that one. See that? Close that one. And this one is what? For the dummy, myself. Oh, it's big. I think I'm gonna need it to adjust. So, yeah. Again, this is it. Yeah, so let's put it back in the box. Back in the box. Now, let's get to something. This one we bought when we were in Rome. Unfortunately, you can only buy 2 at a time. So, we were only there for 3 days. That's why we only bought 6. I know there's a lot of fake out there, but sorry, these are the real ones. I haven't really opened this since we came. Okay, let me see. Mission to Mars. I'm not gonna open everything. I'm just gonna open one because it's probably the same with different colors. Duh. Yeah, we're not gonna open everything. Just when I got 6, I'm gonna open like one. Probably look the same but different color. Duh. Let me see how I open this. It's really nice. It's pretty good. It says, oh my God. So, I think they're done. Ta-da. So here's the receipt. It says, we purchase at the Piazza San Jumanji. So it was 293 currency amount. Signature Perma. Oui, Rome. Let's see the quality of this swatch. So this is what you see. Oh, febrero 23. This is the model. Look at this. Oh, it's the collection of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think what I'm missing is the blue one. Ah. Look at this. Well, what's this? Well, now the best part. The first time it's coming out from the box. It's the swatch, baby. It's upside down, damn it. It's matte red, and I assume there's the usual. This is where we put the battery. Pretty neat. I like it. There's a lot. So it's a Velcro. So this is what an original look like. I know there's a lot of fake out there.